Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to make a quick video talking about the List Infinity platform. Now, what is the List Infinity platform? Well, it is a viral list builder. I like the word viral because that means spread. You know, like a virus spreads. Viral list builder, right? And I'll explain how that works in a minute. So if you want to build a list, but how about also get paid building your list, right? Get paid and earn some commissions while building your list. This would be the platform for you. So basically what the List Infinity platform is, it's just a lead magnet. All it is a platform that you give away for free as a lead magnet, right? And that's what builds your list. Everybody knows that, you know, part of this online space is we get people's contact information so that we can promote anything we want to them. And people exchange their contact information, like their email. They exchange that for something of value, something they could use or something that they see value in. And that's how we squeeze it out of them. That's why it's called a squeeze page. They give us the email, we give them this whole platform for free. So it's just a giant lead magnet, right? Not really giant, but you know what I mean, right? It's a lead magnet. With this lead magnet, though, you can make 100% commissions off of it if you position yourself correctly, or you can just use it to build a list by just simply giving it away. You could post it on social media like, hey, who wants a list builder, right? They can use it. The problem comes when you don't position yourself and somebody you share with, they decide to take advantage of the opportunity and upgrade, then you miss out on those 100% $100 bill commissions, right? So anyway, that's what this platform is. It's basically a lead magnet. You can use it for free. You can create a free account. You can try it out. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to give you a back office peek. But first, what I'm going to do is show you down below of what you get for a free membership versus what you get for a paid one-time, no monthly fee membership. Tongue tied there. So let's jump down to the bottom. Like I said, you get viral pass ups. And just if you really don't know what that means, it means that every fifth lead that say you get, if I shared this with you, every fifth lead that you would just get passed up to me. And the same down the line, right? So every 5 I get 1, every 5 I get 1, every 5 I get 1, right? So it helps you build your list virally, and that's what it means virally. So as your downlines start using this, the pass-ups begin, right? You know, what if it happens to work out where all of a sudden you get 10 free leads and you're not even promoting it, right? You know what I'm saying? So that's how that works. That's virally, right? So anyway, here's some of the capture pages you get. Here's the bonuses you get for paid, but we went over that before in a previous video, and I really want to get to the back office, so I want to show you the two different things. Here's some people that I know on Facebook group that are my friends that are actually crushing it with this opportunity. But where I want to show you is the difference here. You can start for free. You have a free membership. Basically, you can try before you buy. You build a massive email list for free, and I'll show you that in the back office. You can upgrade whenever you want. You get 13 capture pages to gather the email, so you always have a fresh page to put in front of your prospect. You get a 30-day email campaign that you can download, upload to your own autoresponder, or even use one of the autoresponders in the back. 60 engaging Facebook posts, 30 lead generation posts, 100 Facebook groups that allow you advertising that you can use to promote your opportunity, traffic, training, solo ad secrets, solo ad Rolodex, where they got some hot solo ad vendors in the back that we'll check out. You also get access to the private Facebook group. Now, the difference is the pro version. It's only one level. You can upgrade at any time, and it's a one-time fee of $100 that, if you're positioned, you will collect all them $100 bills. So you see how this works. It's all virally. You can build leads for free by giving it away, but certain people will position themselves so that when somebody takes that opportunity, they're going to get paid. Why not? It's a one-time fee, and you can make unlimited $100 commissions, right? So with that $100 upgrade, you'll get a free vacation. You'll get to add 4 additional affiliate links in the back office. You'll get the same things as the free system right here. But then when you get down to here, you'll get special Facebook training, success mindset videos, because it's all about the mind, Instagram, TikTok marketing, YouTube marketing, and the 10K blueprint. Also, you'll get access to the private Facebook group, and you will never have to pay a monthly fee. So that's kind of what that is. Now let's just jump into the back office so we can take a look and see what is behind the curtain. So this is the back office here. When you log in, you'll see your access here, your referral link right here. You have a little welcome, like a little email here along the sides. Now these 4 little banners here, these are actually affiliate links that if you upgrade, you can put your affiliate information here and collect commissions on these platforms, on these tools, right? For Udemy, for ClickBank, for Facebook training, and an email marketing platform. So you go here, this is your setup. You can connect any autoresponder. I, right now, have GetResponse plugged in, right? And it shows you some simple steps how to do that. It shows you how to import email campaigns into Aweber, which is the preferred one. It makes it easy, one click, and the whole system is uploaded in there, all your emails. I had to do it one at a time since I had GetResponse. So, I also got an Aweber account, but I don't really use it. But I still connected it with my affiliate, and I suggest you do the same, right? So you can still get commissions for referring the tools, right? So it's one click with Aweber, but with GetResponse, you click this button here, and I'll show you. It'll take you over to here, and you have all of these email templates that you can download, right? Well, let me go back. Where was I at here? Right here, back off. So that's that, right? So now you come down to set up your payment processor. This is where you'll put your payment. Select whether you want to get paid by PayPal or Stripe, and hit save, right? And here's a video that walks you through how to set up a Stripe account. Here you activate your 4 income streams. If you are upgraded, you can do this. If not, you basically promoting it only to generate leads, and whoever gave it to you, if they're set up properly, they'll be able to reap the commissions on that, right? So you just you sign up here, you sign up, and then you put your affiliate links here so that you can, whenever they click here, you can get commissions. This one is 50% commissions right here. I can't remember what this one is, and this is 15%, and I can't remember what Aweber is, but I highly suggest you do it, right? It's just a way to get paid for being an affiliate marketer. The next thing, it shows you how to use tracking, conversion tracking using the ClickBank that you signed up for, right? So that's just another way to do that. I haven't set that up yet because I don't use ClickBank. I have to see if I can use my personal Pixel tracking system, if I can plug that in there. But until then, I did sign up as an affiliate for ClickMagic because why not, right? You can still get those commissions, right? Next is your lead capture pages. You get 13 of them, right? Here's, let's look at this one. This is the newest one. It's pretty awesome. Let's see that. Free video, how to make $100 every day with your phone. You can earn extra $100. And of course, in exchange for this email, I'm giving them the viral system, right? I'm giving them the viral list infinity. I'm giving them access. I'm giving them this free website so that they can generate leads. Next, as we go down here, that's the lead capture pages. You got 13 of them, like I said. You get solo ad secrets. Basically, it's some little known facts about solo ads and why you need to track. Give you some pointers on how to select the vendors, what to do, how to walk through and select the appropriate Udemy vendors, right? Who to choose, what to look for, what are the criteria, how to pay. So that's kind of what's outlined in that, which is pretty useful if you're new to the affiliate marketing and if you're new to getting solo ads, right? Here you get a solo Rolodex of preferred vendors. And below is my hand-picked list of top. When you order through the link below, you'll get $10 gift card towards your first 2 purchases, which is awesome, right? Sweet deal. Next is the free traffic system. How to use your Facebook profile to generate traffic, leads, and sales for free, right? So it tells you step by step of how to optimize your Facebook, how to adjust your cover of your sheet, and actually it gives you places where you can download some covers. And here's just some information on what you can do to optimize your Facebook profile in order to set yourself up for success, right? Next is promotion tools. Now, this is promotion tools. These are those 60 images and posts and the list of the Facebook groups that you can use to advertise in. Now, mind you, this is a free platform, so I'm not disclosing any secrets or doing too much. You have access to this. Once you click the link below, you have access to everything that I'm showing you now. I'm just trying to get rid of the fear because people are scared to click the button, right? And I'm just showing you what's behind the curtain so you have nothing to worry about, right? But you can use these to add on your Facebook covers, help promote your offers, banners to put in traffic exchanges and in your blog if you got one, right? So the next thing is your referrals. I have a couple referrals, 3 so far. This is where they go. I can always export them, right? Your stats. I have 139 clicks, 10 leads so far, right? And that's kind of off because I did a lot of clicking of my own link, playing around with some stuff so I can make sure my system's up and running. I just started promoting this opportunity today. So I'm just being 100% honest with you. And then lastly here, you have pro training videos. You have success mind videos, right? You have Facebook marketing videos, right? You have Instagram marketing videos. You have TikTok marketing videos and training. You have YouTube marketing videos and training. And you have the 10K blueprint, the marketing videos and the training that goes along with that, right? And like I said, that's all this in the system here. So let's go back up to the top. So that's what you get. I mean, it's really quite simple and quite easy. And this whole platform could be yours for free by clicking the link below. So if you got any questions, that's all I have for now. I'm going to make probably some more in-depth videos just going over how to actually connect your autoresponder, how to set up other things, and how to promote it and stuff like that. But that's all that I have for this video. Like I said, it is free to join. And if you position yourself correctly, you can start earning $100 anytime someone sees the opportunity, sees the value in this particular lead magnet, right? You could make a lot. You can make commissions, like I said, off of the solo ads, the click magics, the special little group along the side. Also, when people upgrade in order to qualify to get those vacations and the additional trainings, which is awesome, which is the value of those things are well over $100 of what you'll be paying. But anyway, that's all that I got. I hope this video helps, just showing you a little bit behind the curtain for the List Infinity platform. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. As always, like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.